Look at his temples. There's nothing there, and he has no idea what's about to happen to him yet. That's his hairline back, and it took 10 seconds. Grown men spend $4,000, fly to Turkey, and wait 8 months for that line. 12 of these ran in one private demo one night. Headphones on. No shop, no chair, a parking lot, and bros mid-conversation the whole time. People are gonna call this one fake. And honestly, I was there, and I barely believe it myself. The eagle, the flag, all of it at a tailgate. Watch it twice. What design would you run through it? Be specific.
Yo, hold on.
Regular barber shop, regular afternoon, and that dome takes the whole head at once. Every wave sitting perfect, and not one hand touched him after the lift. 2 barbers in that shop stopped cutting to watch it happen. Neither of them said a word.
Bro.
Miami, 90 degrees, 30 phones in the air, and everybody heard it before they saw it. The skyline, the palms, the car, full color. Somebody yelled $500, and every artist standing there said they're lying. Then security made the guy filming delete his video. This is the one that survived. Man's getting his whole head done in his own living room, and his boy on the couch never looked up from his food once. Every braid sat perfect, and he still hasn't seen the back. Braiders in my comments charge $80 and 4 hours for this. 2 of them called me a liar.
Bro is really just
40 floors up in Vegas. Every person in that room paid just to stand there, and nobody's holding a needle. Shoulder to wrist in one pass, the girl behind him straight up forgot she was holding a drink. You can't book this anywhere yet. So which one are you booking first when you can? Be specific.
Nah.
Watch the shop behind him. Everybody's already filming before it even opens. It comes off, and the whole shape is already set. My barber charges $100 and 40 minutes for that, and he charges again when it grows out wrong. This man's getting a whole arm done, and he's sitting there like it's a trim, not one flinch the entire time. Full color in one sitting. My tattoo guy quotes $1,200 and 3 sessions for that exact arm. I sent him this, and he left me on red. That's how you know.
Yo, watch the 3-point shot.
His cousin walked into game night with this thing, and nobody even paused the game. That lineup is cleaner than anything I've paid $60 for in my life, and the man left before anybody could ask where he got it. Who do you know that needs this? Be specific. Bros at a tailgate letting a machine print on him like it's nothing, and the whole crowd stopped drinking to film it. A full lion in a parking lot, and nobody there had ever seen one of these before. The shop version of that arm is 8 hours and $900, and he was back in line for a beer. The 2 guys in the back paid real money just to be in this room, and they still don't believe what they're looking at. It comes off and everything's already set. A stylist told me that's 2 days in her chair, 2 days, and she said it while she was still filming. It's just an outline. The number 67, and he's still talking to his boys like nothing's happening. This is where I had to sit down. The whole event pulled their phones out at the same time. Somebody offered him cash on the spot, and his own artist quotes 8 hours for that arm. These demos keep happening, and somebody always records, so pick one. Which prototype are you sitting under first? Be specific about the transformation, and subscribe if you want the next one before it leaks.